Hey everybody, Gary Berger, owner of Baltimore Martial Arts Academy in GFT, Maryland, coming at you for Grapple Fit. Now, this next technique is going to be a position where we have what's called side control, and then we go to knee on belly. And I'm not going to go over all the details of the technique, just a distillation of the technique for strength and conditioning. So the idea behind the side control is that you want to be able to push into your partner and not just be sitting on your knees like this. All right, a lot of beginners do that. They sit on the knees, and not only that, it's bad for your knees and just all around less efficient than pushing in. So I'm pushing into my dummy here. My right arm is under the head. I'll turn this around a little bit to show you. And this left hand is on the ground, sort of pinching his hip. So I'm kind of like, what I'm doing is, this hand is behind his neck and it's wrenching up, making his neck kind of feel like this, right? It's kind of wrenching his neck. And this left hand is sort of squeezing the hip. Now, you know, that is martial arts technique, and those are some details that can serve you well. And I can do it with this dummy, but you know what, if I couldn't get my hand under his head, I might just put my hands on his neck or his head, and my hands on his belly, and I would just be like this, okay? And what I do is, if I'm doing this like this, what it does is it keeps him down. And this is a no-gi variation. In jiu-jitsu, we have gi and no-gi. Sometimes the techniques translate, sometimes they don't. In this case, it does. Usually, no-gi translates to gi a lot better than gi to no-gi. All right? A gi is a uniform or a kimono or the clothing that they wear. So what I'm doing is, I have good side control, and what I do is I pop up, and then what I try to do from here is get my posture, just like this. I like to keep my foot connected on the ground a little bit here. Some people like to just roll that up on top. I think that's a potato thing or a preference thing. I have my reasons why I like to connect on the ground. But that's a debate for another time. And once I'm here like this, normally with knee on belly, you want good posture. You're going to be able to translate more power, more energy into them from here than you can like this. And then I come back down. Knee on belly up. Knee on belly down to side control. So I'll do the other side so you guys can see that. This arm here is under the head, under the neck. This arm is on the other side of the hip. All right, good side control. Pop up. Boom. Pop down. Pop up. Pop down. Knee on belly is a little bit advanced. You know, it's a little bit advanced position. If this knee is here, I want this foot in line with his head. Right here like this, not out here like this. You don't want to be too much leaning this way either. You can get pulled over. All right, that's really bad. If he was grabbing my clothing or my neck and trying to pull me down, that's good for him, bad for me. So what I want to do is I want to get my head away and be here like this. If this were MMA, I could strike, I could hit, you know, I could, you know, go for arm bars, right? It's a lot of options that we have from that position. So that's the side control going to knee on belly.